Porsche's prices are crashing, and your dream car is closer than ever. Here's what you need to know in 2025. When I tell you what's happening in the Porsche market right now, you're going to understand why this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. We're talking about legitimate supercars and track legends dropping thousands of dollars in value practically overnight. The numbers don't lie. Porsche's global sales crashed 42% in China during Q1 2025. New US tariffs are adding $10,000 to import costs, and their EV struggles are brutal. Taycan owners are losing $56,000 in just 2 years. But here's where it gets interesting. All this chaos is creating incredible opportunities in the used market. I've been analyzing Bring a Trailer auction data, and what I'm seeing is spectacular deals on 3 models: the 996 Turbo, 981 Cayman GTS, and 997.2 Carrera S. Cars that commanded premium prices months ago are now available for tens of thousands less. Today, we're breaking down these deals with real auction data, explaining why this is happening, covering maintenance costs, and hitting the back roads to show you why these machines are worth every penny. That flat 6 whale you're about to hear, it's calling your name. Don't miss this chance. Let's cut to the deals. I've identified 3 Porsches representing the best values in today's crashed market. First, the 996 Turbo from 2001 to 2005. This packs a 3.6-liter twin-turbo Mezger engine, the same bulletproof unit in GT cars. 420 horsepower standard, 450 with X50 package, 6-speed manual or Tiptronic, all-wheel drive standard, only 15,000 built worldwide. In 2024, clean examples with 80 to 120,000 miles sold for $55,000 to $85,000 on Bring a Trailer. Now, same cars are selling for $45,000 to $75,000. That's 10 to 15% drops across the board. A 2004 example with 90,000 miles sold for $68,000 last month. A year ago, that car would have hit $78,000 minimum. Why this matters. Mezger reliability means no IMS worries. Supercar performance with 4.0 second 0 to 60 times and pure analog driving. This market correction is bringing sanity back after COVID pricing madness. Next, the 981 Cayman GTS from 2014 to 2016. This is the sweet spot. Last naturally aspirated Cayman before turbo 718s. 3.4-liter flat 6 with 340 horsepower. 6-speed manual or PDK. Mid-engine perfection with only 2,000 US examples. Throughout 2024, clean examples with 30 to 60,000 miles sold for $75,000 to $100,000. Now, we're seeing 8 to 10% drops at $65,000 to $95,000. A gorgeous 35,000-mile example sold in January for $78,000. 6 months earlier, that's an $88,000 car. The GTS represents modern Porsche at its finest. Sophisticated, refined, devastating on twisty roads. With 718 electrification coming, these naturally aspirated gems are becoming more special. Finally, the 997.2 Carrera S from 2009 to 2012. Peak 911 territory. Last naturally aspirated, hydraulically steered 911s before turbos took over. 3.8-liter flat 6 with 385 horsepower, manual, or early PDK. Rear-wheel drive, classic proportions, 0 IMS issues. Clean examples with 50 to 80,000 miles sold for $65,000 to $90,000 throughout 2024. Now we're seeing 10 to 12% drops at $55,000 to $85,000. A beautiful 50,000 mile example sold for $80,000 last month, previously a 90,000 plus car. You're getting 911 essence, rear engine character, unmistakable personality, modern reliability without earlier generation complexity. Bring a Trailer data shows consistent 5 to 15% declines across non-GT 911s and Caymans comparing 2024 to 2025. High mileage cars over 80,000 miles see the biggest drops, up to 20%. Even low mileage examples under 50,000 miles are softening. Fun fact, that $68,000 996 Turbo, the seller originally listed at $78,000 and dropped twice before finding a buyer. That's today's reality. 3 incredible Porsches, all significantly cheaper than months ago. Whether you want the 996 Turbo's raw power, Cayman GTS precision, or 997.2's classic appeal, the deals are here. What caused this dramatic shift? A perfect storm creating incredible buying opportunities. Start with economic pressures. New 25% tariffs effective April 2025 add $7,000 to $10,000 per imported vehicle. Reuters reports Porsche lost $114 million in April-May alone. Dealers are absorbing costs rather than passing to customers, motivating them to move inventory fast. China's situation is catastrophic. Porsche sales fell 42% in Q1 2025. Not a blip, but luxury demand collapsed. When a huge market disappears overnight, global oversupply results. That excess inventory lands in the US, driving prices down. EV struggles compound this. Porsche cut Taycan sales targets. Used examples originally at $110,000 now trade for $54,000 after 2 years. This creates downward pressure across the entire used market. Auction data tells the story. That 996 Turbo with 80,000 miles, 2024 examples hit 78,000 to 82,000. 2025 brings 68 to 72,000 for identical cars. Cayman GTS with 40,000 miles dropped from 88,000 to 78 to 82,000. High mileage cars, 80 to 120,000 miles, see biggest drops at 15 to 20%. Low mileage examples under 50,000 miles are more resilient but still down 5 to 8%. Social media sentiment confirms this. Enthusiasts report dealers flooded with 911s as owners sell for cash. German dealers offer 20 to 40% discounts to move inventory. One dealer had 47 used 911s, unthinkable 2 years ago. Buyer tips: target high-mileage cars for maximum savings. Get pre-purchase inspections for $1,500. Best money you'll spend. Watch Bring a Trailer's final 3 minutes for the biggest deals. Another reality check: a 981 GTS with 60,000 miles sold in February for $75,000. At 2023's peak, that car commanded $90,000. That's a $15,000 swing in under 2 years. Bottom line, tariffs, China's collapse, and EV struggles created a buyer's paradise. But market corrections don't last forever. Smart money moves now. Before getting excited about deals, let's discuss maintenance reality. Buying a Porsche is the entry fee. Real ownership costs come in following years. Annual expectations with real numbers. 996 Turbo runs $2,000 to $3,500 yearly. Oil changes every 5,000 miles cost $400. Brakes every 30,000 miles need $1,500. Tires every 20,000 miles run $1,200 to $1,500. Cayman GTS is more reasonable at $1,500 to $2,500 annually. Fluid changes cost $300. Major services every 50,000 miles hit $1,500. 997.2 Carrera S falls between at $1,800 to $3,000 yearly. Spark plugs every 30,000 miles cost $200 to $400. PDK service runs $1,500 periodically. Major services across all platforms, $1,500 to $3,000 every 30,000 miles. Independent specialists charge 30% less than dealers with same expertise. Common repairs to budget: 996 turbo seals can fail $3,000. Coolant pipes need replacement around 80 to 100,000 miles, $1,500. No IMS issues thanks to Mezger design. Cayman GTS water pumps typically need replacement at 60,000 miles, 900. Engine mounts can wear, 1,000. Bore scoring is extremely rare, under 1% incidence. 997.2 Carrera S coil packs can fail around 80,000 miles, 1,200. PASM shocks wear around 100,000 miles, 2,000. No IMS issues this generation. Reliability data shows 88% MOT pass rate for 996 Turbo, 92% for GTS, 90% for 997.2. Complete service records boost resale 10%. Budget planning. Set aside $5,000 to $7,000 for surprises like 996 differential failures, $7,000. DIY oil changes cost $150 versus $400 at shops. OEM parts preserve value. Extended warranties run $2,500 yearly. Real perspective. One 996 Turbo owner spent $12,000 over 5 years but saw $20,000 appreciation. Budget $2,000 to $5,000 annually. Find good independence. Don't defer maintenance. Key takeaway: these cars reward proper care with exceptional reliability and strong resale. That $1,500 pre-purchase inspection can save tens of thousands later. Enough talk. Let's hit back roads and remember why we're here. All the data doesn't matter if these cars don't deliver the experience making this worthwhile. I'm in a 2004 996 Turbo right now. Turbos spool as I roll into throttle, and when they hit full boost, 420 horsepower launches this like a cannon. 0 to 60 in 4.0 seconds. But it's not just straight line speed, it's how all-wheel drive puts power down. Manual precision, absolute planted feel when pushing hard. For $60,000, you get genuine supercar performance from when cars talked through steering wheel and seat. The Mezger doesn't just make power, it makes music that made people fall in love with Porsche. Switching to 2015 Cayman GTS, completely different magic. 340 horsepower from naturally aspirated 3.4-liter feels like everything needed. Nothing wasted. Perfect weight distribution shows in every corner. Third gear, 7,500 RPM, that flat 6 wailing. This is precision incarnate. 1.1G skid pad, incredible brakes, chassis making every input feel like road conversation. For $75,000, this is the most modern, refined, track-ready Porsche experience available. Now, the 997.2 Carrera S 911 Soul. 385 horsepower from rear wheels. Hydraulic steering that actually communicates. Manual transmission machined from precision billet. This is 911 character. Rear engine creating unique personality that's been 911's hallmark for 50+ years. How this rotates through corners, rewards smooth inputs, punishes ham-fisted driving, this is education and entertainment combined. For $70,000, you get automotive aristocracy, making every journey special. All three represent different approaches to pure driving pleasure. Turbo delivers overwhelming force and all-weather capability. GTS offers surgical precision and mid-engine balance. 997.2 provides tradition and unmistakable rear-engine character. Haggerty data shows 52% of enthusiasts specifically want manuals, which all three offer. There's engagement in proper manuals that no paddle shift can replicate. Now, just to summarize for you, 996 Turbo, $45,000 to $75,000, down 15%. Supercar performance with Mezger reliability. 981 GTS, $65,000 to $95,000, down 10%. Modern engineering peak before electrification. 997.2 Carrera S, $55,000 to $85,000, down 12%. Classic 911 character without earlier pitfalls. Hunt on Bring a Trailer, Renlist, Cars and Bids. Remember that $1,500 PPI investment. Those tariffs add $7,000 to $10,000 to new cars, making used examples more attractive. My verdict: Porsche prices down 8 to 15% in 2025. Best buying opportunity in years. These aren't just cars. They're mechanical symphonies, engineering exercises in driving perfection, increasingly rare examples of feel over efficiency. These cars connect you to road, machine, and driving experience, becoming rare in our digital world. Whether 996 Turbo's brutal efficiency, Cayman GTS surgical precision, or 997.2's timeless appeal, any reminds you why you love driving. Which would you choose? Raw 996 Turbo power, modern GTS precision, classic 997.2 character? Vote in the comments and share any deals you've spotted. If this helped you understand current market conditions, hit like and subscribe for more automotive analysis. Next video, hunting more Porsche bargains or tracking a 996 Turbo. These deals won't last forever. Market corrections never do. But right now, your Porsche dream is more affordable than it's been in years. Thanks for chasing these deals with me. Keep shifting, and I'll see you on the next one.